Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in and welcome to this presentation about MA Fashion Design and MA Textile and Surface Design at BCU. Before we dive into the details of our programs, let's take a moment to introduce the university and what makes it such a vibrant and inspiring place to study. We're proud to be located in the heart of a multicultural city spread across 5 campuses and home to over 32,000 students. This diversity fuels creativity and collaboration, making our university a lively and inclusive community where students from all backgrounds can thrive. Our college is built on a legacy of over 175 years of educational excellence. This rich history underpins our commitment to innovation, creativity, and a high-quality learning experience across all our disciplines. Our key facilities are based in Parkside and the Jewellery Quarter, right in Birmingham's bustling city centre. Surrounded by shops, cafes, pubs and libraries, these locations offer everything students need, both academically and socially, right on their doorstep. One of our standout resources is STEAM House, a hub that offers business startup spaces and creative labs and specialist support for entrepreneurs and innovators. It's where students, graduates and businesses come together to collaborate, test ideas and turn concepts into viable ventures. Our university is a place where you're encouraged to experiment, design and invent. You'll have access to industry standard equipment, software, workshops, studios and libraries, giving you the tools and support to bring your ideas to life. Welcome to the Fashion Workshop. This is your hands-on space for turning ideas into wearable reality. Here you'll develop your skills in garment construction, pattern cutting and tailoring using professional sewing machines and specialist equipment. You can prototype your ideas for a collection here. This is where concepts are brought to life through fabric, form and technique. In the print workshop, you can explore a full range of surface design techniques, from traditional silkscreen printing to digital textile design, heat transfer and natural dyeing. The dye room supports experimentation with colour, while biomaterials are explored in STEAM House, where you can get the chance to innovate sustainably. This is where you push the boundaries of print, texture and material innovation. Our constructed textiles area offers specialist tools for weave, knit, jacquard and tufting. Here you can create textiles from the yarn up, exploring texture, pattern and structure, perfect for fashion or interior applications. This space encourages you to reimagine how fabrics are formed, essential for developing bespoke or conceptual textile outcomes. You can elevate the detail in your work in our embroidery studio. Access digital multi-head machine embroidery, experiment with the only colour reel machine located in a university in the UK. This dyes your thread as you stitch, allowing limitless colour ranges in your designs. Or you can refine your skills using hand stitching and beading. These tools allow you to add dimension, craftsmanship and storytelling to your garments and samples, ideal for couture, embellishment or heritage-inspired designs. All students have free access to Adobe Creative Cloud, including Photoshop, Illustrator and InDesign, essential for portfolio design, technical drawing and digital mood boards. Combine this with Clo3D, a powerful fashion-specific software to create digital garment prototypes, test fabric behaviour and visualize collections in 3D before sampling, bridging design and digital innovation. Bring your collections to life in our photography studios, supported by your peers and expert technical staff. Use green screen and controlled lighting setups to produce editorial quality images or promotional content. This facility enables you to build a professional visual identity, collaborate with photographers, stylists or models, and document your work in a dynamic and impactful way. You can develop your presentation skills in our digital and traditional print studios. Design and produce lookbooks, posters, zines and portfolios. You can learn techniques like bookbinding or join short courses to refine your visual storytelling. This is where you enhance how your work is seen and shared, a vital part of professional practice. You will be able to push creative boundaries in our cross-disciplinary making spaces, featuring laser cutting, 3D printing and materials like ceramics, metal, wood and glass. Whether you're developing conceptual accessories, textile sculptures or exploring unconventional surfaces, these spaces allow you to experiment and innovate beyond traditional fashion and textile processes. Our courses prepare you for contemporary design roles and continuous professional development, with a proven track record of enabling students to progress to doctoral level research and significant career milestones. You'll develop analytical skills, tactical thinking and professional behaviour. Our critical environment encourages alignment with your career aspirations, fostering a purposeful and self-sufficient approach. By the end of this programme, you will have developed a comprehensive portfolio, gained extensive industry insights and cultivated a strong entrepreneurial mindset, making you ready to make a significant impact in the fashion and textile industries. One of the first tasks you will complete on beginning your MA with us is developing your design manifesto, which is closely aligned to your individual career. Everyone has a unique course blueprint to follow, which they develop independently. When we look at the two courses in a little bit more detail, you'll see how they share some of the same course content and then separate into groups to receive subject-specific teaching related to their area. In addition to all the specialist staff in workshop areas who will support you in developing your practice, the core MA teaching team are experts in their fields and are actively either practicing, researching or publishing in their specialist areas, and they bring this knowledge into the classroom and share it with you. The first of the MAs that we'll look at in a little bit more detail is MA Fashion Design. The course is structured into 3 trimester periods that are designed to both build your confidence and at the same time improve your level of ability across a range of design and academic contexts. Each trimester has been carefully designed to enable you to explore your potential and build your levels of professional ability as you transition towards a new professional horizon. In Phase 1, you will be building a foundation of knowledge and experience through developing practical applications. This is the most instructional phase of the programme, with regular workshop sessions and demonstrations. The focus is on creativity, project control and idea generation. Phase 2 is about professionalisation. During this phase, you will continue to work on self-determined briefs and all live projects on an individual or interdisciplinary group basis, testing your work through seeking feedback from industry experts. This will build your orientation to professional practice, industry relevance and cultural awareness. Phase 3 focuses on personalised learning and independent study. During this phase, you will be given greater autonomy to direct your learning journey by engaging in external partnerships that align with your particular interests and through establishing your own goals. The emphasis at this stage is on detail, integrating professionalism and advanced practice. The second course we'll look at today is MA Textile and Surface Design, the sister course of MA Fashion Design. Fashion and textiles as subject areas are interrelated in the industry, therefore the two courses are aligned and complement each other, and students on the two courses often end up working together. The element that differentiates MA Textile and Surface Design from MA Fashion Design is the middle stage of the course, where Textile and Surface Design students will embark on a diploma module that consolidates their creative practice, whereas Fashion Design students will explore innovation and technical development. You will receive 12 weeks of teaching in each of the 3 stages of the course, and earn 60 M-level credits as you complete 2 modules in each of the certificate, diploma and MA stages. This will accumulate in 180 credits at the end of the course to achieve your MA. Both courses focus on personal development of your practice, and all assessments are coursework. There are elements of written work to submit, but any writing that you are asked to do is related to your personal practice and ambitions. You won't be asked to research or write about anything that does not interest you or is not about your future career aspirations. MA Fashion Design and MA Textile and Surface Design unites craftspeople, artists and designers who are passionate about studio and workshop-based practices. You will join a diverse student body including recent graduates and experienced professionals, all driven to deepen their knowledge and skills in their chosen specialisation. The dynamic nature of the creative sector combined with the diverse cultural perspectives and experiences of our students makes this course highly engaging. Our faculty members bring a robust blend of academic, research and professional practice backgrounds to their teaching. You will be well prepared for the transition from education to employment, equipped with expertise, knowledge and experience necessary to thrive in your chosen career in the fashion and textile industries. Our courses focus on a flexible, student-centred approach. They are designed to give you flexibility and autonomy. Rather than following a rigid subject-based structure, you'll shape your own project pathways and study content. This will be guided by your individual interests, goals and practical needs. You'll learn within a culturally rich and diverse student community, supported by a wide range of specialisms, workshops and academic expertise to help you grow as both a maker and thinker. At the heart of both courses are 3 core pillars. These underpin everything we do: sustainability and craftsmanship, innovation and research, and enterprise and entrepreneurialism. We promote environmentally responsible design using sustainable materials and mindful processes to develop your craftsmanship. These skills and techniques are celebrated, encouraging you to produce high-quality artisanal work. You'll be encouraged to challenge conventions, integrate new technologies, and explore forward-thinking design methodologies. Research-led practice supports you in pushing creative and critical boundaries in fashion and textiles. We foster an entrepreneurial mindset, equipping you to imagine, develop, and manage your own creative ventures. Through modules on creative ideation, collaboration, and personal development, you'll gain real-life world skills for industry and self-employment. We want to empower you for industry and beyond. Whether your ambition is to innovate with industry or set up your own label or explore advanced research, our courses empower you to take that next step on your own terms and with a clear creative vision and robust professional foundation. the end of the year, we celebrate your accomplishments by holding a static exhibition and an annual fashion show that all students have the opportunity to participate in. This is a clip from a past show. We understand that for international students, the experience of studying abroad goes beyond the course itself. So we do our best to embed as many events, cultural visits and experiences as possible within the year that you're with us. As well as staff sharing their knowledge, we invite industry experts to share their experiences and views with you. This is a great networking opportunity for everyone. You'll be able to participate in inspirational trips, industry visits and live projects should you wish to include these as part of your study. This year, our students have had the opportunity to visit design studios, trade fairs and exhibitions in London at places like the V&A and the Fashion and Textile Museum. It's just a short train ride from Birmingham, so easily accessible. We've also travelled further afield to locations like Chatsworth House, famously featured in the film Pride and Prejudice. Every year we aim to include an international study trip. Recently, students attended the Pitti Trade Fair in Florence with an additional cultural visit to Rome. In the past, we've also visited Premiere Vision in Paris, which is one of the world's leading textile and fashion industry events. To support your learning journey, we offer a wide range of academic and creative resources. You'll have access to our Centre for Academic Success for help with writing, research and study skills. On site, you can explore our Fashion and Textile Archive, a valuable resource to inform and inspire your own creative practice. We also provide support for international students, including an academic support team with a Mandarin speaking translator. And you'll benefit from our regular tutorials with course teams throughout the year. At the heart of our university is a commitment to your well-being and future success. You'll have access to dedicated mental health and well-being services alongside our Graduate Plus scheme, a fantastic platform for gaining additional skills and credentials that will strengthen your CV and your job hunting prospects. You'll be part of our growing network of successful graduates with opportunities to connect through our LinkedIn alumni group, opening doors for collaboration, mentorship and career advice. Our fashion and textile courses provide a comprehensive understanding of the global landscape. You'll explore how fashion and textiles operates across a range of markets and how they are shaped by socio-political, environmental and cultural influences. We encourage students to think globally while staying rooted in their own cultural identities, making them agile and adaptable professionals in an increasingly interconnected world. We value collaborations across disciplines, cultures and countries. Through team-based projects, you'll work with students from different specialisms, backgrounds and in some cases directly with industry professionals and global brands. These collaborative experiences develop not just your creative and technical abilities, but also your cross-cultural communication, negotiation and leadership skills, vital attributes in today's global industry. Your portfolio will be your passport to the industry, showcasing your ability to design, make and present collections that meet international standards. You will be guided in visual storytelling, digital presentation and technical communication to ensure that your work can compete regardless of where you are geographically. You will be trained in creative research methods, trend analysis and critical inquiry. Will help you to explore cultural theory, ethical debates and historical contexts that influence design in different parts of the world. These skills will enable you to produce not just beautiful work, but work that is thoughtful, informed and forward-thinking, essential for leadership roles in fashion and textiles. We believe that diversity is a strength. You will learn in a diverse classroom, surrounded by peers from across the globe. This offers a unique opportunity to exchange ideas, practices and perspectives, enriching your creative process and helping you to navigate the nuances of international fashion systems. Our integrated study trip opportunities from Pitti Filati in Italy to Premier Vision in Paris enhance your international outlook. Fashion is not just about design, it's about responding to the world we live in. You'll engage in key global conversations around sustainability, diversity, inclusion, digital transformation, and the future of craftsmanship. Our approach ensures that you're a graduate not only with skills but with a voice, ready to influence and lead on the issues shaping the future of fashion and textiles. In a world driven by connectivity, clear communication is essential. We help you build both verbal and visual communication skills, from presenting design proposals and writing reflective reports to building compelling digital content. You'll learn how to communicate with ideas and clarity and impact across platforms. Finally, you'll graduate with a toolkit of technical expertise, business awareness, and creative confidence, ready to enter the global job market. Our career development program includes Graduate Plus accreditation, LinkedIn alumni networking, job fairs, and placement opportunities. Whether you aim to launch your own brand, work for a heritage house, or contribute to sustainable innovation, will help you make that leap from education to industry. We offer a dedicated support for our international community to make sure you feel welcomed, included, and empowered to succeed. Because your journey is personal and we're here to support you every step of the way.